Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to talk about args and kwargs in Python, right? So args and kwargs, these two essential features in Python that bring flexibility and power to your functions. Do not worry if they sound unfamiliar. I will explain them in straightforward terms and with real example you can relate to. So what are args and kwargs? Imagine you are running a restaurant and you have different types of customers coming in. Some customers order a fixed menu item while others have special dietary requests or additional preferences. So in this situation, you can use args and kwargs to help you handle this varying request seamlessly. Alright, so args allows your function to accept any number of positional arguments, right? And kwargs enables your function to handle any number of keyword argument, key value pair, right? So we are going to look at via example. Let's look at that in action. Now example of args and example of kwargs. So first of all, we are going to create a function. We are going to name it as order. We are going to say args and we are going to say print items ordered. Now we are going to use for loop to iterate through all the items. For item in args, print item. All right, now we are going to call this function. We are going to some values like pizza, burger, fried chicken, ice cream, soda. All right, now we are going to look at how to use kwargs, right? So we are going to create a function and name it as special order. We are going to use 2 stars kwargs and I'm going to say print special order, and we're going to use for loop to iterate through all the key value pairs in kwargs. For key value in kwargs dot items print key value. All right, now we are going to call special order and we're going to say menu will be stick, then desserts will be ice cream, and then we're going to add drink will be Coke. All right, so now if we are going to run this example, we should be having items ordered: pizza, burger, fried chicken, ice cream, and soda. Not Sparta. Let me just quickly, or make it as salad. Yeah, salad. So this is the first example of args, and this is the second example of kwargs, where we have key value pair like main steak, dessert ice cream, and drink Coca-Cola, all right, or cola. So this is the example of args and kwargs. So why use args and kwargs? First, flexibility. They make your functions more adaptable to different input scenarios. Readability. They enhance the clarity of your code by handling multiple arguments neatly. Real world applications. They are widely used in applications like web frameworks where functions need to handle dynamic data. So we are going to look at practical example of managing orders in a restaurant. Let's say you are managing orders in your restaurant. Customers might order different combination of dishes, and some might have specific requests or dietary needs. Here is how you can use args and kwargs to manage these orders. So we are going to create a function. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to say comment it out. Then I'm going to call a function definition take order. Yeah, and I'm going to say table number, dishes, then special request. Now we're going to print order for table number. Then we're going to say if dishes print dishes ordered for dish in dishes print dish. All right, now if special request now we are going to say print special request for request details in special request items print request details. Now we are going to say take orders. We are going to say table number, let's say 5, and we're going to say pizza, salad. Then we are going to say dessert, equal to cheesecake, and dietary equal to my spelling is correct. Dietary equal to gluten free. Alright. Now in this example, table number is required positional arguments. Dishes captures any number of dishes order, and special request captures any special request or dietary needs as keyword arguments. Okay, so if we got it. Yeah, so if I run this program, we should be having order for table 5, dishes order pizza, salad, and special request dessert equal to cheesecake, dietary equal to gluten free. All right, so in this chapter we learned about args and kwargs. Args and kwargs are powerful tools that enable your Python functions to handle diverse sets of arguments effortlessly. Whether you are managing orders in a restaurant, processing data in a scientific application, or building dynamic web pages, mastering these features will make your code more versatile and easier to maintain. Keep exploring and applying them in your projects to become a more proficient. Alright guys, see you in the next chapter. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.